Hey everybody, Justin Siener here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get the best drop shipping video ads for your store that convert like crazy. This is going to help you immediately make more sales and increase the performance of your paid ads. It's really the most important part of your business, running great ads, and I'm going to show you the absolute best drop shipping videos out there and how to use them for your advertising, especially if you're doing things like TikTok ads or Instagram ads or Facebook ads, right? You need great video content. They're super, super important, and they're also very important for actually describing and showcasing your product with a drop shipping store. A lot of drop shipping stores lack trust, and having a really great video that shows your product in depth and shows your services in depth and shows basically the trust level is high in your store, that makes a huge, huge difference. And the great, huge drop shipping stores, they test lots of videos with lots of different angles and hooks and creatives. Drop shipping stores are always testing new products and, of course, always testing new paid ads. And that means you need to have lots of high quality video. You need to have video that converts and video that is going to make your ads perform at their highest levels. And a really popular strategy for successful Shopify dropshipping stores is to work with viral e-com ads and use their proven to convert video ads to absolutely crush it when it comes to making money with dropshipping. And there are definitely some pain points that you run into as a drop shipper when it comes to ads and creatives and videos. The number one thing that you're facing every single day is that you constantly need to test new ads and creatives. And we always want to go with our best type of creatives, right? We want to have stuff that are going to make every dollar that we spend on advertising worth it. We don't want to have low quality videos. We don't want to have boring pictures. We don't want to have the stock imagery that comes from our drop shipping providers, right? We want to have great high quality videos for our ad creatives. And we know that the more ads and products we launch, the more money that we're going to make, which means we need to have a consistent flow of these high quality videos. Because for each product, proper testing is going to have different angles, different creatives, different hooks, different styles, right? Different voices. The whole idea here is that you want to test what works. And when you're doing video, you need lots of different variations, angles, creatives, hooks, etc. So you could answer the question, what is the best ad for this product? And if you want to do that, again, you're going to use viral e-com ads. I'm going to show you them over the shoulder, and you see the link directly below this video. I highly, highly recommend them. You are not going to find better drop shipping ads out there. They create the best video ads in terms of high conversion, high engagement, high trust. And you see the link below this video. We'll go over the shoulder. You see viral e-com ads there with the Z at the end. And lots of viral ad creatives that have just absolutely crushed it for their customers. And they've really worked in almost every single niche out there. You see the users of these videos, the stores that are using these videos in their ads, they've made over $30 million in sales. There's over 30,000 Shopify stores and over 100,000 unique videos produced here by viral e-com ads. And it's incredibly powerful. They have UGC ads as well. They have split testing packages. They have TikTok ads. They have Facebook ads. They have concept angle testing. They have the ad multiplier, which is really cool. All of these advanced strategies built into their high-end video production for your ads. And it's super, super simple. It's a 3-step process to get started. You just place your order. All you need to do is choose the ad creative package that best fits your needs. You complete the submission form. You give some information about the product, about your brand, about where you're going to be using the video. You're going to be doing a TikTok ad campaign, a Facebook ad campaign, etc. And then you get your ad creatives delivered to you within 24 hours guaranteed. It's unbelievably fast and super high quality. It's your go-to place for literally everything. You want to do video ad packages, image ad packages, AI UGC, model UGC. You can get it all done. Literally over $30 million in tracked sales using these video concepts. And they're going to create some high quality ad videos that you could use anywhere. TikTok, Facebook, really you could even use it on your own site for marketing. These are going to be ads that get you results. And you see time and time again, great testimonials and huge screenshots and massive sales numbers, because we know that if you want to scale a successful paid campaign, if you want to scale a dropshipping store, you need to have multiple winning ads, which means you need to have multiple winning videos. And that's the whole idea here with viral e-com ads. You'll be able to get literally any type of ad that you want, and you'll know that they're super high quality. And again, you can see review after review, 5-star review after 5-star review on over 500 reviews. And you see the Shopify screenshots to go along with it. So there's really just a bunch of different packages. I'm going to show you some of the best sellers over here. And if you become a VIP member, take a look at the massive discounts that you get. I really like the VIP program that they have. And again, when you're a dropshipping store, you're going to have this need over and over and over, right? You can get started with maybe you want to test out the Facebook ad package or the TikTok ad package, but you'll want to come back to viral e-com ads every single time you launch a new product. And again, it's as simple as just picking your package. And you see the prices over here. Come over and let's say we're going to do the Facebook ad split testing package. You're going to get 4 ad variations for one product. So you want to scale a product, you want to test a product, well, you're going to get 4 different ad variations to enable you to truly get the best shot at finding the winning ad to scale that product, right? We know what we need to do. Launch new products, run the ads. And how are the ads going to work? Well, they're going to work a lot better when you have these high quality video ads from viral e-com ads. So come over here and get started. You can pick any package. Highly recommend going with Facebook ad split testing, especially if you're following my Facebook ad strategy. These fit perfectly in here for all of your drop shipping products. Come over here and click get started. Literally that simple. See over here the different pricing. You can save a bit if you're doing multiple here with your VIP membership, and you could literally get started. You see exactly what's in here. You get voiceover, you get 30 to 45 second, you get proven to convert script structure. You don't need to tell them what to say, right? The viral e-com ads knows because they've built hundreds of thousands of ads. I mean, that's the bottom line here. They are experts when it comes to this. And you see, of course, it's properly formatted to fit, in this case, for Facebook and Instagram fees. Get that 75% off and 24-hour delivery for those VIP members. Again, highly, highly recommended to check out the VIP program. It's $50 a month, cancel anytime. It pays for itself literally in your first order, and you get that super, super expedited delivery, whether it's Facebook ads or TikTok ads, right? Just significantly cheaper pricing right off the bat. So it's the ultimate way to scale, because you're going to be able to literally, you could launch a new product every single day, right? And I always talk about, you want to launch as many products as possible. Well, you can go crazy over here with viral e-com ads, 24-hour delivery. Go ahead and launch a new product using the Facebook ad split testing or the TikTok ad split testing package every single day. It's only going to cost you between $12 and $15 when you're a VIP member. So you get some other stuff as well, weekly coaching calls, you get delivery on the weekends, you get the VIP Discord and the priority support, but really just the unbelievable price savings is why you're going to want to sign up and be a monthly member here at Viral E-com Ads. But again, massive results, right? Try it out, become a VIP member or not. You see the link directly below this video. You're going to love the videos that you get from Viral E-com Ads, but more importantly, you're going to love the results in your paid ads when you start to use the creatives that Viral E-com Ads gives you. So if you have any questions, please don't hesitate to leave a comment. I'll do my best to answer each and every single one of them. But otherwise, this is highly, highly recommended. You see the link directly below this video. Jump right in. And I hope this helps you make a ton of money. And I'll see you in my next video.